the PNP itself is maganda na yung police natin, yung institusyon ng PNP. But the member of the PNP, I was one na member na biktima ng ganun na pangyayari. And even I've heard from the mouth of former president, galit siya na nangyari na ako ang pinagbintangan.
I would like to ask you about paragraph 4 in relation to paragraph 12 sa affidavit mo. Sabi mo kasi, sa paragraph 4, tinawagan ka ni Chief PNP dati, Ronald De La Rosa. Doon sa paragraph 12, you personally reported to him. You personally reported to him. So, yung bang boses na na narinig mo, yung boses na narinig mo nung tumawag yung sabi mong si General De La Rosa, dating Chief PNP, pareho ba na boses nung nagkaharap na kayo?
Yes, Your Honors, Mr. Chair. At saka hindi lang ganun, Your Honors, ang pag-intindi ng familiarization ng boses niya, may order na kaagad.
Sinabi mo kanina na nung tinanong ka kung ano yung masasabi mo sa drug on war ng dating administrasyon. Isa sa nabanggit mong terminology is practical. Practical. Sabi mo, successful dahil practical. Can you describe or define what is practical to you in as far as drug war is concerned?
Yung practical naman, pag intindi ko, Your Honors, yung kausapin kaagad direct yung mga involved, tinanong kung sino ang source ng drugs nila, pinuntahan na, hindi na pinahintay na mag-file ng complaint kasi ang kagawian ng police, Your Honors, makahingi lang ng information right after kung mahuli na yung isang suspect. Pero sa time na yon, pag ikaw lang isali ka lang doon sa list, pwede na kapuntahan at saka tanungin kung saan yung drugs mo. That's how, yun ang sa palagay pag-isip ko na very practical approach, Your Honors.
Mr. Chair, yung bang sa palagay mo practical sa tingin mo ay in accordance with law?
I cannot really specifically, Your Honors, kung in accordance with law, as long as the PNP, number one, Your Honors, hindi hinuli, no? Pangalawa, yun siguro lang ang approach na papuntahin ka sa police station kasi nalista, yun siguro ang parang hindi na maganda, Your Honors, no? Binapapunta mo na walang invitation, kung ano pa man. Pero kung as tao lang tayo, Your Honors, na parang bigyan ng second chance yung mga involved, sa ganun lang na mga paraan, Your Honors.
Ulitin ko, kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, hindi lahat ng practical sa tingin mo ay in accordance with law. Mayroong iba na practical sa operasyon, pero hindi sumusunod sa batas. Tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Your Honors.
Dito sa reward system, ang dami nang nagtatanong, ano yung 50 to 100 per day na quota, may 20,000, may galing sa STL. Ito bang pinag-uusapan dito sa affidavit mo na reward system? Is this official? Mayroon bang official na issuance ang PNP sa reward system, Mr. Chair?
Sa reward system, Your Honors, hindi yun ma-indicate doon kasi parang kuan lang yun, parang ibigay lang yun kung may ganun ang mga pangyari, Your Honors. Pero yung quota, lahat naman instructed ang mga chief of police na lahat ng nasa list na ibinigay pababa from taas na i-knock and play ninyo para mapagbigyan din ng pagkataon yung mga nasa list na mag-surrender.
Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, wala talagang official issuance yung PNP regarding sa pinag-uusapang reward system. Parang tradisyon lang or verbal order lang. Parang ganon po ba yun, Mr. Chair?
Verbal lang, Your Honor. But in my station, Mayor Paruhinog declaring talaga na pag makahuli kayo, Chief, dito ang kaugalian namin, magbigay kami ang LGU ng 100,000 per operasyon ng bypass kung malaki ang mabypass ninyo.
Medyo nakakabahala po yung paragraph 34, no? From my experience, I can see that the PNP is the biggest crime group in the country. Mr. Chair, if you will allow, can I ask kung sino yung alam ko kasi, we have invited here some PNP officials. Kung sino yung pinakamataas na PNP officials na nandito, pwede, can I ask a comment from that PNP officials? No, this representation would like to ask, no, that top-ranking PNP officials who are here present in this committee hearing, ano po yung masasabi niya doon sa paragraph 34? Ano po ang masasabi ni General Karamat?
Mr. Chairman, I totally disagree with the statement of Lieutenant Colonel Espinedo that the PNP organization is the biggest syndicate here in our country. We could not have the kind of peace and order situation we are experiencing right now in our country if not for those dedicated policemen maintaining the peace and order in our country, sir.
As follow-up question to Colonel Espinedo,
Okay, last question, please.
ang ibig mo bang sabihin na Colonel Espinedo, is this only in as far as the war is concerned o yung overall?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yung drug war, pero quote-unquote, Your Honors, the PNP itself is maganda na yung police natin, yung institusyon ng PNP. But the member of the PNP, I was one na member na biktima ng gano'n na pangyayari. And I can, makasabi ako sa inyo kasi ako ang biktima sa drug ng former President Rodrigo Duterte. And even I've heard from the mouth of former President, galit siya na nangyari na ako ang pinagbintangan. So, magsabi ba ako na wala sa PNP ang organized crime groups? The PNP itself, again, the institution is very effective. Maganda yung Pilipinas may PNP. Pero yung member ng PNP, yun lang ang problema, Your Honors. Thank you.